It's a really exciting week this week. I'm just off on the train down to London, and then I'm going to catch a flight to Dubai to the boat show there. I've got a few meetings in London and giving a talk at Virgin Startup, and then I'll be jumping on the flight and I'll show you around some of Dubai. Let's go. Just had a brilliant meeting with Charlie from the travel project, and now I'm running to my next meeting. I'm off to Virgin Startup now to give a talk on crowdfunding. It's great to see everyone at Virgin Startup. I've now got to catch a train to the airport and head to Dubai. Arrived in Dubai, it was a night flight, so I'm feeling quite tired and disorientated at the moment. I think I've managed to figure out the trains. So the first job is to find where I'm staying.
The next station is World Trade Center.
Just been told off for standing in the wrong carriage in the train. There's a pink line which separates where the men and women should stand, and I was standing in the women's section. Really ironically, when I checked in to where I'm staying, they signed me in as Rose instead of Ross. But all is good, and I'm off to meet Kevin Badney, who's a lecturer, who used to be a lecturer at Loughborough University when I was there. So really looking forward to catching up with him and seeing a friendly face in Dubai. It's really good catching up with Kevin. The boat show opens in about an hour, so I'm going to head down there now. Got to see this. This boat is owned by Dubai Police. I'm going to show you. Okay, so this is a police boat owned by Dubai Police. I can't imagine what Dubai Police need a boat like that for. Good second day of the show, a little bit quiet, not very many visitors there, it didn't feel like, but it was a good chance to have a chat with people on the stalls. So I'm just going to see if I can try and catch that boat back now. It's really difficult to walk anywhere, and a lot of the roads are big busy highways, and what looks like a short distance on the map is just huge distance. Anyway, I've got to run for the boat. Is it leaving? Thanks. Just about made the last ferry. There are lots of the biggest and the best in the world in Dubai, including the biggest mall in the world. Largest screen in the world, largest aquarium in the world. I've never seen a mall with a fish tank this big. Midnight. I've been trying to exit them all for about half an hour, and I just can't find any walk-in exits. they're all exits for cars or for leaving by taxi, so I've resorted to just walking down the car park ramp to get out of them all. I was going to go up the Burj Khalifa, the tallest tower in the world today. I've got a bit of time before the boat show, but unfortunately it's so misty that I don't think I'll be able to see anything. Come for a wander around where some of the big hotels are. I'm just popping in them and trying to find out more about water sports, who runs it, and I'm really just trying to find out as much as I can. The hotels here are really, really big. Apparently the world's largest inflatable water park, but I'm right next to it, and the water park near me in Rutland Water is bigger than this one, so I'm starting to not believe some of this world's biggest claims. I catch my flight back home this morning, so I'm just off to the airport. I have a look at how beautiful Burj Khalifa looks this morning. It was really interesting to look around the boat show. I feel like I found someone good to work with to launch our jet boards, and really interesting for me to see the big hotels and how our jet boards could be used for water sports there. I felt the city was very clean, it felt very safe. The scale of the city is nothing like European cities that we're used to back home, where things are walking distance and close to each other.